Since 2014, RAK envisioned changing the IoT landscape by eliminating design complexity and embracing ease. RAK has sought to create easy-to-deploy solutions and modular IoT products, and to grow a community of IoT enthusiasts taking the tech world by storm. As of March 2021, RAK closed a Series A funding worth $10 million from big tech investors and well-known business angels. This Serial A deal was led by Creo Capital, venture arm of NWS Holdings Limited, and a leading venture capital firm based in China, Shunwei. RAK plans to use the recent proceeds to invest in its technology and customer satisfaction by building its very own assembly line, making product customization more accessible and more efficient for company partners and other valued clients. The needs of the IoT community go beyond just building a ready-to-use product. Offering services such as customized enclosures, labeling, and the like are part and parcel of what developers and IoT enthusiasts need in building their product, with solutions that anticipate the customer's needs as they come. RAK's current product lines and the introduction of its new in-house assembly further extends the possibilities of building unique solutions, as it will act as a one-stop shop for the IoT community to create prototypes to end solutions. The successful investment deal signals a bright future for RAK, where IoT enthusiasts are more involved in making their IoT solutions come to life. IoT made easy. A world made easy with RAKwireless.